Hello everyone, Namo Namah. Welcome back to my channel Sanskrit in English. If you haven't subscribed it yet, then subscribe it now. Also share with your friends. Today we will continue with the second lesson Kah Ka Kim. In first part of this lesson we saw how to use Kah. In today's part you will learn about Ka. We will also do Kriti and Bhashabhyasah. Let us start the lesson. Esha athva sa. Esha means this and sa means that or she. Both are feminine singular pronouns. Esha Nilima. Esha Gayati. Ka Gayati. Esha Nilima Gayati. Esha Nilima. This is Nilima. Esha Gayati. She is singing. Gayati means singing. Ka Gayati. Who is singing? Ka means who for feminine gender. Esha Nilima Gayati. This Nilima is singing. Now using sa. Sa Swati. Sa Nrityati. Ka Nrityati. Sa Swati Nrityati. Sa Swati. Sa means that or she. She is Swati. Sa Nrityati. She is dancing. Ka Nrityati. Who is dancing? Again Ka means who for feminine gender. Sa Swati Nrityati. That Swati is dancing. कृतिः छात्रः स्वसमीपे अथवा दूरे उपविष्टस्य मित्रस्य विषये वाक्यं वदति. Now students will say sentence about their friend who are sitting nearby or at a distance. यथा as एषः सुभाषः उपविशति. You can say एषः सुभाषः उत्तिष्ठति, एषः सुभाषः हसति, etc. सः संकेतः हसति, सः संकेतः चलति, सः संकेतः गायति, etc. एषा नीता लिखति, एषा नीता हसति, एषा नीता नृत्यति, एषा नृत्या गायति, etc. सा सुवर्णा चलति, सा सुवर्णा धावति, सा सुवर्णा नृत्यति, सा सुवर्णा हसति, etc. Use एषः for nearby male student and use एषा for nearby female student. Again for सः, for a male student sitting at a distance use सः. For a female student sitting at a distance use सा. भाषाभ्यासः. First exercise. मंजूषायाः सहाय्येन वाक्यानि रचयत. Means make sentences with the help of these three tables. Let us see the meanings of all the words. In first table all are pullingaha shabdaha. In second all are strilingaha shabdaha. And in third all are verbs, kriya padani. Harinah, a deer. Gayakah, a singer. Nripah, a king. Sah means he. Eshah, this. Kah means who for masculine gender. Amitah, a name of a boy Amit. Kapotah, a pigeon. Marjarah, a cat. Shukah, a parrot. Sinhah, a lion. Now strilingaha shabdaha. Chataka, a sparrow. Pippilika, an ant. Balika, a girl. विद्यार्थिनी means a student, female student. महिला, a woman. मक्षिका, a fly. गीता, name of a girl, Geeta. नदी, a river. सा means she. एषा means this. का, who for female. श्रेया, name of a girl, Shreya. शिक्षिका, a teacher. Now क्रियापदानि. Verbs. वदति means says or saying. पश्यति means watches or watching. पतति means falls or falling. हसति means laughs or laughing. खादति means eats or eating. पिबति drinks or drinking. वसति stays or staying. कथयति tells or telling. नमति means saluting. वहति means flowing, flows or flowing. गायति sings or singing. चलति walks or walking. उपविशति sits or sitting. क्षिपति throws or throwing. भ्रमति roams or roaming. Now see, some of them you already know. Few are new. See, वसति, कथयति, वहति, क्षिपति, भ्रमति. These are new verbs. Now see, you have to frame sentence using first and third table and then second and third table. हरिणः खादति, गायकः गायति, नृपः वसति, सः हसति, एषः खादति, कः वदति, अमितः नमति, कपोतः उपविशति, शुकः खादति, सिंहः चलति, etc. Now for स्त्रीलिंगः शब्दः. चटका वदति, पिप्पिलिका खादति, बालिका हसति, विद्यार्थिनी कथयति, महिला नमति, मक्षिका उपविशति, गीता वसति, नदी वहति, सा गायति, एषा चलति, का क्षिपति, श्रेया उपविशति, शिक्षिका नमति, श्रेया भ्रमति, मक्षिका भ्रमति, etc. Second exercise. चित्रं दृष्ट्वा वाक्यं लिखत. See the picture and write a sentence. See here, this girl is laughing. She is a student. So you can make sentence like एषा बालिका हसति, एषा छात्रा हसति, सा बालिका पश्यति, etc. Here a woman is walking. So you can make sentence like एषा महिला चलति, सा महिला गच्छति, एषा स्त्री चलति. स्त्री means a woman. Here a teacher is saying something. So you can make sentences like एषा शिक्षिका वदति, सा शिक्षिका गायति, सा शिक्षिका कथयति, etc. Here an ant is eating and also walking. So you can say एषा पिपीलिका खादति, सा पिपीलिका चलति, सा पिपीलिका खादति. Use एषा and सा both. Now tips. Tips to recognize which is पुल्लिंगः शब्दः or which is स्त्रीलिंगः शब्दः. For पुल्लिंगः शब्दः अकारांत पुल्लिंगः शब्दः. When a word ends in a sound and with visargah, these two dots. Visargah, it is akaranta pullingah shabdah. For example, ramah, sinhah, marjarah, etc. For striling shabdah, akaranta or ikaranta. when a word ends in a sound without visargah, it is आकारांत स्त्रीलिंगः शब्दः. For example, mala, vidya, chataka, etc. For ikaranta, when a word ends in e sound without visargah, it is ikaranta strilingah shabdah. Nadi, kadali, mahishi, etc. You will find link to my playlist in the description box. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Sanskrit in English. नमो नमः. पुनः मिलामः. धन्यवाद.